I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stew in Wacky Wizards step by step. Start by approaching the cauldron and adding a base ingredient, then add 1 protein and 1 vegetable. Stir slowly and watch the color change as the stew simmers. Test small amounts between additions to manage effects. If a reaction occurs, pause and remove the last ingredient to reset the flavor profile. Begin by selecting a reliable base like broth or a mild potion ingredient, then add a protein such as meat or fish for substance. Include a vegetable for texture and balance, and avoid hazardous reagents that cause explosions. Add ingredients slowly and stir between additions to observe changes. Keep notes on combinations that work, and remember that small experiments reveal safe, tasty stew recipes without wasting rare items. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that pairs nicely with post-brew road trips. It's a small upgrade that makes leaving the cauldron smell great. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control heat by watching visual cues like bubbling and color shifts, and stir consistently to blend flavors and reduce unexpected reactions. If steam or sparks appear, lower interaction and remove the last ingredient to regain stability. Use gentle additions rather than dumping everything in at once, and taste test cautiously to refine the stew. With calm adjustments, you can create repeatable recipes that produce pleasant, stable outcomes in the cauldron.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.